Hi everyone! 2 points to note before we start. First, this video assumes you can read hiragana. Second, after you listen to a Japanese example, click your pause button and then repeat the example out loud. Saying it out loud helps you remember better. This video explains 2 Japanese patterns using sa and mi. These are intermediate level patterns and both of them turn up in the N3 grammar section of the Japanese language proficiency test. Sa changes an adjective into a noun. For example,
良い、良さ、辛い、辛さ。
Here's an example.
A4 の紙ってどのぐらいの大きさですか？ A4 の紙ってどのぐらいの大きさですか？
Okay, so the grammar for this pattern is simple. Just put sa after an e adjective without the e, or after a na adjective without the na. The diagram shows the one exception. Now for the fun stuff, let's do a few practice examples. Remember to say them out loud.
長さはこのぐらいでよろしいですか？長さはこのぐらいでよろしいですか？
ものすごい辛さ。ものすごい辛さ。
カラスの頭の良さに驚いた。カラスの頭の良さに驚いた。
育児の大変さがよくわかった。育児の大変さがよくわかった。
Like sa, mi changes an adjective into a noun. So what's the difference? Well, mi is usually used with fewer adjectives because it's usually restricted to subjective impressions, tastes, smells, feelings, etc. For example,
甘い、甘み、臭い、臭み。
here's an example.
この大根は甘みがあって美味しい。この大根は甘みがあって美味しい。
So you'll be happy to hear that both sa and mi have similar grammar. Both come after an adjective, but first remove e or na, depending on the type of adjective. That's all the explanation we need, so let's do the practice examples.
牛乳につけると魚の臭みが取れます。牛乳につけると魚の臭みが取れます。
痛みを感じたら無理をしないでください。痛みを感じたら無理をしないでください。彼はいい人だけど面白みがない。彼はいい人だけど面白みがない。
私の強みは体が丈夫なことです。私の強みは体が丈夫なことです。
Okay, so this video looked at 2 patterns from the ebook Natural Japanese at a Glance N3 Patterns, available from Amazon and Apple Books. Most people like the Apple edition for iPads or iPhones because you can play all the sound files from inside the actual book. As always, please give us a like, and if you want to hear about new videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.